I always order protein style after workout because yeah. So, I just got home from the gym and nag-take out ako ng In-N-Out burger. Sabi ko, might as well turn on my camera and talk to you guys. Because it's been a while. I always order protein style after workout because sarap ng fries din eh. Kung sayang naman yung workout, yung puro carbs kakainin natin, diba? It's just my choice of meal sa In-N-Out. So anyway, I wanted to talk about 2024. My reflection this year. As a 41-year-old middle-aged woman, the number one that you really should prioritize is your health. So, mid-year this year, actually matagal na, may bukol ako sa breast, diba? In my previous videos, I'm very vocal about it naman. Tinanggalan ako ng bukol, pero it's non-cancerous, but I still have the risk of getting it kahit nag-negative ang BRCA1 and BRCA2. Oh, what is BRCA1? What is BRCA2? It's a blood test that can determine if you have precancerous cells. And thankfully, wala. Good news is, here in the US, it's covered by your insurance if you have a family history of ovarian cancer. Test is free. Negative ako. Health is wealth, guys. With your diet. Not only food that you consume, it's also the content that you consume online, the chismes, the people you hang out with. Hindi lang food diet, dapat mental diet din. When you go see your friends, how do you feel after? Do you feel recharged or drained? Kasi if you're drained, it's actually not good. You should feel recharged, happy, inspired, and motivated because that's part of your health. I live a balanced diet. I eat what I want. I eat anything. And if I see na parang, oh, I've been eating too much junk, start craving for vegetables, for fresh juices. Nagjujuicing ako. Pero, I mean, ayaw magpaka-impokrita, pero 60-40. 60% junk, 40% healthy. And I walk a lot. Okay, number 2. Hindi ko to nalista. All of a sudden, I just want to turn on the camera and film this content. And syempre, binuksan natin yung ating Christmas tree na hindi pa kompleto ang gifts. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Ako si, last minute. So anyway, number 2, ano ba? Am I okay? Number 2, sabi nila, family over everything. Blood is thicker than water. Naniniwala ba kayo dyan? Comment down below. Kasi for me, I don't think it applies to everyone. You know why? Kasi parang, well, based on our experience, on my experience, this year is tough. Kasi parang, iiyak ako. Nakaiyak. Bakit parang, magkakaroon na ba ako? It's tough because yung mga taong akala mo na family mo, ibebetray ka. Hindi to nangyari sa akin, but it's hard kasi, you know, when you trust someone, hindi sa akin nangyari, but it's sad. We live in a sad world. Imagine like, betrayal. Sarili mong dugo, sarili mong family, sila mismo magbe-betray sa'yo. Lola always say this, money is the root of all evil. Sa culture ng mga Filipinos, kaya marami tayong OFWs, yung mga nag-a-abroad. Sa culture natin, we like to help our family. Kung sino yung nagpalaki sa'yo, yung nag-alaga sa'yo, kailangan tanawin mo yan as utang na loob. Ganyan ang culture natin. Should I say it in English? But it's hard. How do I say that in English? Tanaw na loob. You have to give back. But, you know, it's fine. Like, it has to come from your heart. Hindi kailangan forced giving because iniisip mo, oh, because he took care of me, I have to give this amount, I have to work hard and, you know, work my ass off and give everything to this person because he or she was the one who took care of me. And I think that's a really toxic mindset. I mean, of course, wag ka maging madamot, diba? You have to give, you have to share what you have. God will bless you 2 times, 3 times. Kasi yun ang turo sa akin ni Lola talaga. Like, to share your blessings. But, if they take advantage or abuse you, if you're making a lot of money and pipigain ka nila, it's really wrong. Just because the richest, diba, ikaw lang yung magbibigay. Or ikaw lang yung mag-share if something happens dun sa nag-alaga sa'yo. I think a lot of Filipinos will be able to relate to this topic. Kami nating OFW, mag-abroad sila, magpapadala sila sa Pilipinas, para sa kanila wala nang natira. Kasi nga, binigay nila sa pamilya nila eh. At the end of the day, pag ikaw yung nawala ng pera, they will mock you, they will disrespect you, you are nobody to them kapag hindi ka na kumikita ng malaking pera. So, tama si Lola, money is the root of all evil, and family is not always everything. Dapat talaga sa pamilya, number 1 is respect. Walang parasahan. Pagbigay or paghingi. It's hard to explain. I can't express how I feel right now because I'm getting emotional. Kasi feeling ko, my hormones. Love God above all. Dapat nga ito yung number 1 ko eh. Pero kasi I didn't write this down. This is just impromptu. Sabi ko lang, I just turn on the camera. Love God above all. I mean, be thankful for your life. Find your purpose. Ano nga lang ako mag-vlog. Christmas Eve right now. I'm gonna start cooking. Since walang tao right now, might as well, isip ko lang, one last reflection that I learned actually many years ago. I feel like I want to share. Not only this year, but I've been like, you know, enjoying my own company. So learn how to be still. Like, learn how to enjoy yourself without, you know, trying to scroll on your phone, watching other people's life. I mean, not that it's wrong. Try to read. Stay still, enjoy your company, go to the gym by yourself, have that confidence kasi it helps you build confidence when you're alone and you know yourself. That motivation, it gives you the self-confidence, and to have coffee, treat yourself, go on a date night with yourself, watch a movie. I did watch movies many times by myself, and I really enjoyed it. You're not a loser if you do that. Don't think that way. Dun ko na build ulit yung self-confidence ko. If you're home alone, which is most of the time I am, it gives you that creative juice to do something. For people, for yourself, creating content. Naisip yung mga kalokohan ko. I also get inspo, syempre online when I scroll, gives you the time, do your self-care, your skincare, your nail care, your hair care. Enjoy your company and be your own best friend. Those are things, you know, over the years. To be honest, I love being alone. I love that I get to read, I get to write, I get to do stuff. Sobrang enjoy talaga ako. I am my own best friend. That's all.
And as you can see,
You're calling to me. I can't hear what you said. You said go slow. I fall behind.
Boy, you should know that I got you on my mind. The secret admirer.
Every day I pray my heart is on you.
The steak board is looking good. My DJI camera is full of oil. Merry Christmas!